Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. So this is how my hair looks like right now. I've neglected it for a while and we just needed to revive it. So what you need is water or leave-in, and also the oil of your choice, and also butter. Well, you can use any kind of butter you have, and also any kind of cream that you have. So I'm going to use the LOC method. And yeah, so the first thing I'm doing is I'm spritzing my hair with water so that I can be able to soften it and so that it can be easier for me to part the hair. So what I'm going to do before I start detangling is I'm going in with my water and I'm going to spritz it a few times because my hair is dry and it's a bit matted. So I make sure that I massage the water inside. My hair is low porosity, for those of you who don't know. So I need to help my hair to absorb that water as much as it can. So this is the kind of motion that I prefer using. Yes, this is the motion that I prefer using, and it has been really helpful. So every time I do this while applying any kind of product, it helps my hair to absorb it really well. So after applying the water and making sure my hair has absorbed it, I take in my oil. This is amla oil mixed with olive oil. So I apply this really well. I use the same motion, making sure that my oil has covered every single strand, and I'm making sure that my hair is absorbing it really well. And this is also to help smoothen the cuticles. And yes, this is actually an amazing technique, and I'd really love for you guys to try this out every single time you're applying your products. It's actually going to change a lot. Then I go in with my shea butter, starting with my ends. I mainly focus this butter on my ends, and then I work my way up. Actually shea butter has been helping my hair a lot, especially when it comes to detangling. It makes detangling to be much easier. It is so effortless. So this is why I use it as a sealant. So it's really good and it leaves my hair feeling super soft. And after that, I just flat twist my hair and leave it to dry. And that's basically what I'm going to be doing in my entire hair, and I'm going to share with you what are the benefits of this and why I choose the product that I use right now. So before we continue, I'd like to introduce myself. For those of you who don't know me, hello, my name is Kimani Magi. I make natural hair videos, and just a few weeks or months ago, I started a hair growth challenge series, and I decided to grow my natural hair intentionally. So mostly my hair has been stuck in the same length for so many years. I'm 5 years natural, and I decided to start this hair growth challenge series to try all these things that I'm supposed to try, doing different kinds of routines, techniques, and also different kind of protective hairstyles so that I can be able to grow my hair. My goal is to reach to waist length hair, and I'd really love for you guys to join me in this journey so that we can grow our natural hair together. And if you watch my previous videos, you're going to see how my hair has really changed, and I've seen lots of length retention. So if you want to grow your hair, if you want to understand your hair, and if you want to fall in love with natural hair, especially type 4 hair, then feel free to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. So the reason why I do this technique that you actually see in almost all my videos, it's because before this I used to suffer so much when it came to applying products on my hair. Products will sit on my hair and my hair would become really dry during the week, and I'd stay like 2 days without feeling like my hair was doing something. I just felt my hair was just getting dry and dry every single day. So it felt like my wash day routine never even really worked, and I thought that maybe I was washing my hair too often, and at that time I was just washing my hair twice a week. So it was really depressing until when I decided to do lots of research, I came to realize that my hair was actually low porosity, and for low porosity hair, it's hard for products to be absorbed by the hair. So you actually need to use heat to be able to help it to absorb the product. So I decided to just figure things out, and I realized that the heat that comes from my palms was actually good enough. And every time I try and do this technique of squeezing in the product into the hair, it would actually help my hair to absorb every single product. And that's when I started feeling my hair getting much softer, and my hair was actually easier to manage, and it would actually take longer time to even get dry. And as you can see, my hair, it's actually dry, but it's not that dry, and it's matted, but it's not that matted, because this is the only routine that I use every single time. So the reason why I want to just advise you guys on this is because it actually really helps my hair a lot, and I know that it's going to help your hair a lot. Another thing is I use water, especially when I'm remoisturizing my hair. It's because I don't want to use lots of products, because I don't want that product buildup, and I don't want to wear my hair down a lot. So I prefer using water instead, and then I seal in with an oil, and then I go ahead with my shea butter. The reason why I use this amla oil, it's because it has great strengthening properties and stimulates hair growth, and the shea butter is really good for conditioning the hair, and it actually gives that amazing sleep, especially when it comes to detangling natural hair, and it's also a great sealant. So that's basically everything that I needed you guys to know in this video. So comment down below and tell me what you think, if you're going to try this routine or technique. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.